Hi friend, today we'll write the program to find duplicate element in a given array. First we write the main method, then give the list of the array, int array is equal to new int integer, then give the list like 3 4 5 3 6 7. That's it. Then use use the system.out.println duplicate element of in given array is, then use the for loop for define the range of the number. For int I is equal to 0 to I dot array length of the array, then again use for loop for I is equal to 0, then use j loop for j is equal to, next is iteration is I plus 1. In the second loop for loop, the iteration of I happened here, I plus 1 array length into j plus, then use the if condition. If array of I is equal array of j, then print that array. Save the program and run the program. Duplicate element in given array is 3.